always a challenging stuff to select what career I wanted to start after my new college and stuff like that. But always got inspired with one of my cousin who was a bartender. So that kind of helped me to start the journey. Started my hotel management, and then went on pursuing the bar course. And well, with small experience, I'm here today as a beverage head associate.
So how important is your presentation in your day-to-day life?
It is very much important, for sure. The first presentation of a person or a personality is very much important in bar.
Comfort or fashion?
I would go and say, since we have a lot of work behind the bar, it is always comfort.
Your go-to outfit for any event?
It depends again what kind of event it is. Of course, I would prefer formals always.
Your role model?
My dad is my role model actually, because he's the one who actually taught me how not to give up in the difficult times. So especially in the pandemic time, he's always been the back support to me. So yes, I would say it's my dad. Cool. Let me show you more place.
Your most loved spirit of all time?
It is always whiskey. Whiskey, water and ice is always my go-to. If it has to be a cocktail, then it is always old-fashioned.
Your signature drink?
Old-fashioned, of course.
If not mixology, what would be your next passion?
I have never thought what would be I'll be doing apart bartending. But yeah, bartending is always. If not, I might have gone to an IT sector, which I'm not sure again. But it is always a bartending.
Best memory as a mixologist?
Yeah, there are thousands of memories. But yeah, catching up people is always been a great memory that has created to us.
So what was the first drink you ever made?
First drink, it is always, I still remember the first time that I walked into a bar, and then it was the first order that landed up to me as a beer. Then I popped out and gave the beer. But I slightly made it a mess when I gave it out. But yeah, the beer is first thing that I've given. In terms of cocktail, yes, I have made the first cocktail is Pina Colada.
Any unique ingredient have you used?
We have sourced different type of honeys which are easily not available, which is one of my favorite thing to use. So coffee and of course honey is something that I always prefer using.
One spirit that you would absolutely love to experiment with?
Whiskey is always, there's no doubt.
Craziest cocktail combination you have ever made?
Craziest? Coffee and whiskey is always. The favorite part about making cocktail is that I always prefer whiskey to go. Since we have so many options in vodka and other ranges, but whiskey and coffee is always the best combination that I've always liked.
Best side dish alongside a cocktail?
I would go and say nachos.
3 prize positions you would never give up on?
My bar toolkit, of course, that is one thing that I would never. And of course, clothing is second that I would always have. And my collections, my wardrobe, more than clothes, it's always about it.
So, any one advice you want to give to the aspiring mixologist?
I would always say never bartend just for the lifestyle. Do it for the passion, because there's a lot thing to learn in the bar, not just bartending. People think that bartending is just a lifestyle. People still say that okay, when you come behind the bar, it is just it's sort of a style to work behind the bar, and they don't sustain for much longer unless you have the passion towards it. So I would always say have a great passion, which I keep telling again and again.
What's the best thing about the Bangalore crowd?
Bangalore crowd are crazy partying crowd. I could say they're the best party animal that I've all seen in India, across India, if you go to see. Since you have asked that question, I will also show you one of the cocktail that I always like to drink. So I'll show you that cocktail. whiskey. It's a TML of coffee moment. About 15 ml of honey water. If you like this video, like and subscribe to this channel for more such content. Cheers.